Alright, guys, so I'm giving you a first reaction. This is the apartment, $60 for 3 nights here in Tbilisi, Georgia, in the city center. This is how it looks like. You might not like it. I don't mind it at all. To be honest, I really like the bed. Okay, I like the bed sheets. I'm gonna be here for 3 days and then we are going to move to somewhere else. But this is the basically it's just a room. Okay, you have the bed here, as I said. You have a desk here, a mirror, and it's all old furniture, but I don't mind it. You have a fan, you have the TV. There's a window there. I'm gonna show you the garden on a different occasion. It's gonna be a different time when I'm going to record the garden. But yeah, you have some paintings there. You have a couch, a table here in the center of the room, a big mirror. Okay, you have the fridge. You have a lamp there, a lamp here. You have the fridge. The fridge is kind of noisy, and I am sensitive to noises. However, this type of noise, it does not bother me as it is constant. Noises that bother me are just noises that you cannot predict. So this really doesn't bother me at all. In fact, I like it, as crazy as it may sound. This is like the kitchen, the washing machine. I think I'm gonna wash some clothes before I leave this place because I don't know if the other place is going to have. Actually, I don't even know yet where I'm gonna be. But anyway, this is the floor. You can see old floor. It's actually an old building as far as I can see. Right now it's 8:30 p.m. So I just arrived in Georgia. Just arrived in this place right now. Um, didn't even enter like the bathroom or anything. So I'm showing you everything. I don't even know where the light is. It's here. So yeah, this is the bathroom. Pretty basic. But yeah, it's perfect for a short stay, I would say. It's perfect. And for me, the most important thing is that it's not noisy, as it seems like it's not noisy in here, even though it's very central. It's not noisy, and yeah, the bed is really comfortable. Doesn't matter that it's old as long as it's comfortable. So that's it. This is the room, guys. And to be honest, really, I checked to see if there is any liquid in this, but no, it's empty. It's just for decoration. But yeah, that's it, guys. This is how the apartment looks in the city center of Tbilisi. Basically $20 per night. This is what can get you straight off of Airbnb. This is the street. And this is the entrance in the yard. So this is the outside of the place. The outside is gorgeous, is vintage, and I really like it. There's all sorts of little things like that mirror over there, that bird cage, the clock, all sorts of things like that. We also have a grill here. It hasn't been used, seems like, in a long time. We also have these lights in the night or during the night, which are very beautiful. You have these bottles. They are empty, guys. I checked them. They're empty. Yeah, it looks very nice. It looks very nice. Then this beautiful door. Keys the chaos. All right, I like the wall. Wall is very nice. Brick wall. I like it because it is, I don't know if it's really that old, but it looks old. And you have a plum tree, table outside, and this is actually, I think it's another rental unit. And because when I arrived, there was a guy inside here, and I asked if if he was the owner, and he was not. That's the gate outside. You have this little beautiful swing. Okay. And then a wardrobe here. It's the only wardrobe. I mean, not the only wardrobe, but I did not have a wardrobe, or there is no wardrobe in the room in the apartment. I have a little man cave here, some mattresses, and yeah, Manhattan. This is the door again. You have the little Georgian flag there, Manhattan, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like once you get out of the house. You have this light out here. That's the window from the bathroom. And then here you also have another wall. They could actually renovate the place, and yeah, because it's very central. They could ask, if they renovate it, obviously they could ask for more, but it's fine like this because, you know, they probably have a lot of people that book this place because it's not that expensive. But this is in the backyard, so they have a lot of space here. They could take advantage of. The owner could take advantage of, and you know, organize it and maybe build another unit there, maybe two, like one on this side, one on that side. Yeah, and that's about it, guys. That's about it. Also, one little thing, I left him some money for another day actually, because I've extended and left the money over there. We did not extend through Airbnb. I extended. I just, you know, asked him his WhatsApp number and giving him cash. Like this, we saved another $5 per night, guys. So that's about it. That's the little tour outside. This is how we're traveling. This is how we're traveling. All over the world. This is a good thumbnail.